Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I made a sound staff build. Let me just get out of this menu. And yeah, I'm just using explosive jam, but you can the reforge. I have no reforges, but you can use like radiant or my rad. I don't know how to say it properly. So yeah, this is the build. And you can equip the sonic boom technique, which is meant for this weapon. Um, I'm just gonna go equip it. I keep forgetting, guys. I'm really sorry. So let me just equip it there. But um yeah, now that I've got the build, but the technique isn't that useful. It's just like this thing. It's good for movement though, I'm gonna be honest. So you want to use mana additional ones on the heavy, which does pretty decent damage. Look, the poise damage on this is like OP. And you should be dead pretty soon. And yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, goodbye.